Hi, my name is Pty Ltd. I'm the owner of Urban Horticultural Solutions. We're a small landscape management and maintenance company specialising in prestigious residential work as well as small commercial work dealing with builders. The reason why we had EC Credit Control come on board is that we had a pretty bad experience. The final straw was last year. We had the opportunity of doing some work for a builder. I went out there and had a chat with him and met with him, and he seemed like a really nice guy, and so I went on face value and had a gentleman's agreement in place with him. Unfortunately, that ended in a pretty bad way, and as a result I lost quite a considerable amount of money, of which it took a lot out of me, not only financially but also mentally. It occupied a lot of my time, it drained me, lost a lot of sleep, and as a result, my business did suffer. Business life has changed so much now that we've engaged EC Credit Control with us, is that we've stepped up our business to another notch where we've become a lot more professional in the way we deal with clients. We're actually viewed by our prospective clients as a professional company, not just a guy who's out there having a go. Just recently, these terms and conditions acted as like a sift for us. We had the opportunity of working with a prospective client. We were ready to pretty much sign the contract until I gave him the terms and conditions, of which he returned them to me, having crossed out what was convenient for him. And the great thing was, I just got on the phone and had a chat with my area manager, Jason, who talked me through everything in detail, went out of his way, and then after discussing that with Jason, I went back to our prospective client and decided that this wouldn't be the kind of work that would be good for us, so we let that one slide, and we've just moved on forward. Yeah, look, EC Credit Control have been great, and it's a very easy kind of system that they put in place for us to use, and also it allows us to focus on what we do best, which is gardens. There's less downtime for me. I'm able to get out on a job and pretty much quote it and send a quote then and there to the client. My message would be, it'd be one of the best things you could ever invest in, getting EC Credit Control on board, and you wouldn't look back on it. It's way to go.